Whether you are applying for remote work that is not hiring from your country, or you're trying to access websites that are blocked from your country, a VPN or a proxy becomes a necessity. But did you know you don't have to pay for a VPN or a proxy to access these websites? In this video, I'll show you a VPN for PC that you can use to access these websites for free. You don't have to pay any subscription to use this VPN. Download Logging Anti-Detect browser. This is where you're going to add your VPN. We want to have a lot of security, so you're going to combine an anti-detect browser and a VPN. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to come here and download Logging Anti-Detect browser. You don't have to pay for Logging. As you can see, I'm also using a free plan. Logging allows you to have up to 2 profiles. So I'm not using a paid version. So the first thing you're going to do after you download and install Logging, you're going to click here, new profile. So you're going to see this dashboard. So in this case, if you're adding a proxy, you're supposed to come down here. This is where you add a proxy, but in our case, we are not going to be adding a proxy. We are adding a VPN that, and it's an extension. So we are going to add a Chrome browser. So we are going to click Chrome browser, and then we are going to confirm. Next, you're going to click start. Now, after you've clicked start, you're going to come here. As you can see, it has not changed my location. And now I want you to come here and write one click VPN. The VPN you're going to use is called one click VPN. Click either the first or the second link, and then it will bring you to this page. Here you're supposed to click add to Chrome. My dashboard is in Swahili, but basically you're going to click here add to Chrome. As you can see, the extension has been downloaded. This is how you tell the extension has been downloaded. So here is the extension one click VPN for Chrome. And now you need to pin. You see this pin? I need you to click this. That means you have pinned the VPN. And here it is. And now you'll click this VPN, this icon here, and it is launching. Now this is how the VPN looks like. You can click here to view all the countries. So now I have connected to Chile, and as you can see, it's connecting. But you can choose any other country. It has all those countries there, so you can choose wherever you want to connect. Once connected, it is going to appear like this, and this shows now that your location has changed. If you see here, my location has changed to Santiago, Chile, and that's what you want. So if you want to change to any other location, you will just come here and choose the country you want. That's it, guys, how to use a free VPN for PC. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.